Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special topic that many of you have been requesting: how to pass the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam on your first attempt. The first key tip is to study strategically. Focus on the exam objectives and domain areas provided by AWS. Make use of the official AWS documentation and study guides, as they cover the essential topics you need to know. Next up, hands-on experience is crucial. Get your hands dirty with AWS services. Practical experience not only solidifies your understanding but also gives you a better grasp of real-world scenarios. Take advantage of the AWS free tier. Understanding architectural best practices is a must. Dive into the world of scalable, fault-tolerant, and secure architectures. Familiarize yourself with various AWS services and their specific use cases. Pay close attention to cost optimization, as they play a significant role in designing efficient solutions. To boost your confidence, solve sample questions from official AWS practice exams. This will give you a sense of the exam format and help you become familiar with the types of questions you might encounter. Take the time to analyze the answers and explanations provided, as it will help you understand the reasoning behind each choice. Identify your weak areas and focus your studies accordingly. During the exam, time management is key. Read each question carefully, paying attention to the requirements. Allocate a specific amount of time for each question, and if you encounter a difficult one, don't get stuck. And there you have it. These quick tips will help you pass the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam with flying colors on your first attempt. Remember to study strategically, gain hands-on experience. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Good luck on your exam and see you next time.